Okay, so topic 1 is about number system. So number system, we have 3 subtopic here. The first one, 1.1 for real number. So what is our real number? Real number will be the number that we use as usual, like whole number, nombor bulat, like decimal number, like fractions number. So whatever number that we have used before, they all are real numbers. So in real numbers, they have a few categories here. For the first one, the first number that we recognize as we small, like natural number. Like in kindergarten, what you start first, you will learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is natural number is a positive number that used for counting. So only nombor bulat lah, positive 1, 2, 3. So you won't involve 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. You won't involve any decimal yet. Okay, so natural number is a positive number used for counting. So it starts from 1. So we'll go for unlimited here. We'll go for 1,000, go for 100, go for many numbers here. So inside here, we have one category of the number. This is special one. We call it prime number. So prime number is a number that you divide by yourself only. You don't have any other factors. So like 2, 3, 5, 7. So like 4 cannot be prime number. Why? Because 4 it can divide by value of 2. Like 6 cannot be the prime number because 6 can be divided by 2, divided by 3. So prime number are those the number that only divide by itself. Means you don't have any other factor from its numbers only. So like 9 only 9 is not prime number because 9 can be divided by 3 also. So whatever numbers that can divide by others number, we cannot take it as prime number. So prime number, the smallest value for the prime number start from 2 and so on. Okay, so what's the difference natural number and whole number? Whole number is start from 0. So therefore, natural number is the smallest group in this real number. And then getting bigger, which is involved 0, which is whole number. So whole number symbol will be denoted by W. Natural number symbol denoted by N. Real number symbol denoted by R. Okay, then we're getting bigger. When we involve negative number, so when we start involve negative number, we come to integers. All right, so at the beginning means this set is natural number. When it involve one more number 0, it become bigger, which is whole number. And then when it involve negative number, it will become integers. So therefore, integers inside here got 3 categories, which is integers positive. You can see a positive sign here. When you have integers negative, you have negative sign, where 0 is count in a category of neutral. Alright, so in integers, you don't have any decimal yet. They all nombor bulat. So bulat-bulat saja, tak ada, no decimal anything. So when we start involve decimal in our number, it is a category of rational numbers. So rational numbers, it getting bigger. So rational number getting bigger, which is involving decimal. So the decimal, which can be terminating or repeating, like the decimal can be 0.5, terminate is stop, or the decimal is repeating 0.33333. So the repeating numbers here, they will have a bar there. So for these two type of decimal number, it is under rational numbers. Okay, so for this terminating decimal, they can convert it to fraction. Okay, so rational numbers not only involve decimal number, also involve those fractions. So that those fractions that give you decimal in terminating decimal or repeating decimal, they will be in rational number. But if the decimal is neither terminating or repeating, maksudnya dia punya titik perpuluhan never stop or never repeating. Okay, so that kind of decimal number or that kind of number is under irrational number. So means irrational number is out of the group of rational. So overall here, everything here is under the category that we see in real number, which is the number that we use for calculating since we learn mathematics until now. All right. So that will be our some part of this real number. So of course inside the integers we have even numbers, we have odd number. Even numbers means nombor genap. Odd number means nombor ganjil. So nombor genap it will give you an example 2, 4, 6 and so on. So all this number is putting in a set. So therefore you can see our number in set notation. Buka kurungan telinga, tutup kurungan telinga. So because it's a set. So the smaller set and okay. So let's say in rational number inside here not only have decimal number and also that also includes integers. They also include whole number. They also includes natural number. So for example, if I give you a value of like let's say -3. So -3 is an element of natural number. -3 also an element for whole number, and -3 also, sorry, this one should be -3 is a element of integers because it starts from the category of Z. Okay, so natural number and whole number only involve nombor bulat, positive number. So start with integers. We have negative number. So -3 also an element of rational number, and -3 also an element of real number. So -3 is sit inside this set. So inside this set is also under Q, is also under real number. So those decimal that not in round manner one, they were outside here. Irrational number. You can try press your calculator and see here. For pi, you will notice that when you press your pi, you will get the decimal as 3.14, 159, and then 2654. It doesn't stop actually because your calculator only can view up to 12 digits. So only they can see this in front number. So actually at the back there still got decimal that we didn't see, digit that we cannot read. So this kind of decimal, non-terminating, non-repeating, so it is under irrational. So means irrational means out from the Q, not Q. So not Q. So it's a Q bar there. So of course when you press check and see, when you press your calculator cert 3, you also can get 1.73 and then 2050808. So you can see the decimal keep doing non-repeating things. So how about exponential? Exponential e to the power of 1. When we didn't write anything means exponential power of 1. 2.71828 and then 1828 and so on. Okay, so this is all the numbers we have. Then this is our first part of this topic. So from this number, later on we can label it in number line.